Hi, my name is Tom Eister, the owner of Angelo Dent Removal. Today I'm going to be working on this 2023 Ford F-150. It's got a large dent in this aluminum door that I'll be repairing with the paintless dent repair process. Let's go ahead and get started. You would just take 1 minute and hit that like and subscribe to my YouTube channel if you'd like to know more of the benefits of paintless dent repair. So there's a large dent here on the top part here. It's got a high crown that goes across the top and a pretty mass in the center here. Problem with this one is access. There's a brace that generally runs right across here. To start this dent, I need to put a shield here to protect the glass. This wedge is going to open it up so that I can get my tools in between there. First thing is, you want to slide this in front of the glass and start it with the wedge. And then I have a airbag here that will help separate this even more. That way there we can get some tools in here to start this dent. And once you get it opened up enough, you can start doing some of the repairs. Alright. Now, because this is an aluminum panel, you want to use sharp tips in order to push this back up. I'm going to be using one from A1 tool. It's got an adjustable handle. And I'm going to be using another one here from Blim with another adjustable handle as well. Now, fortunately, there is a small hole in this actual brace behind here that I'm able to slide my tool in between so that I can work on this dent. Another flawless repair, like it was never there. So if you had damages that were similar to this on an aluminum panel and would like to know if your car is a candidate for paintless dent repair, give me a call at 325-703-6149 or stop by and see me at 2315 Sherwood Way, San Angelo, Texas. My name is Tom Eister, and thanks for watching.